There's not been any nervousness, any concerns. We still see the same weight of capital trying to come into Poland, but not just Poland, into Central Europe. We had a session in Budapest similar to this about 3-4 weeks back, and the question came up there, and I then bounced it back to the audience and said, who here, as an investor, has any concerns over the Ukraine crisis? And there was Starwood, there was AXA, and there's one other, and if you had global investors, you had Heitman, all saying the same thing, that they're not reducing any allocations to real estate, they're not reducing any allocation to CEE, so it hasn't had any impact. Now, whether that will change going forward, we watch the news every day, and if things keep escalating up, will there be a change? But at the moment, there's not. Yeah, I mean, we're seeing through the Q1 of this year, as Josh showed, record volumes, just the number of transactions which are not closed yet, which are currently in the market is, and we were talking with Martin earlier, there's huge volumes out there in due diligence, in the market, trading. They will not all trade, but as it stands now, we all see volumes being way up. And the capital which is coming in, it is, okay, there is new capital coming in. Certainly we do regular presentations to investors coming in. Those investors then link up with a Heitman, the global investors, and other investment managers. So the capital is still coming in. Probably the biggest frustration for investors here is finding the stock, finding the opportunities, the core opportunities. There's very little there now in Poland, core prime retail, core prime offices, which is available. So when you do see something like that coming up, that's when we'll see the yield compression, which Jos has talked about.
So product is also an issue.
Yeah.
Okay, good. We'll
availability of product, competition over that product in the prime sector, the prime sector.